Furniture plans. Why, even if you have woodworking plans, you can get it right? The truth is that the plans that are on the market have confused, unclear, or even wrong diagrams, because often skip important parts. Woodworking for home. John met a professional woodworker who, after 6 years of restructuring woodworking plans, created his own designs to help you to get the job done cheaply, fast, and without headaches. What can you build with woodworking for home? Bed, bathhouse, bench, billiard table, bird feeder, CD and DVD holder, coffee table, computer desk, and much more. What can you expect to find in woodworking for home? 4,000 plans and projects, instant access, high quality, free updates, free bonuses, for range of projects, try and test, suitable for beginners, suitable for advanced, cost effective. Get more information. Woodworking projects, do it yourself woodworking plans.